Welcome back, and what we're doing now is a little field trip, going out to help a friend with his 64 Sunbeam Alpine, and he needed a little bit of body work taken care of, some dents and so forth, so I thought I'd give him a hand. There he is, just doing a little itty-bitty work there, a little touching up. So I had to knock out a couple little dents. There's one right up there, but unfortunately, when I went to the back of the car to do a little bitty ding right there on the right-hand corner of the trunk lid, it was okay. It had a little bit of stuff in it. And you see the arrow pointing to that area, and sanded out the bad stuff. It had some mud in there, and I banged it out. But then when I was finished, I kind of ran my hand across the whole back of the trunk lid. And what do you think I found? Yep. Bingo, I could see Jim Bennett standing there shaking his head. So that's the two arrows pointing down show how wide that whole patch was. This is after my friend had started to sand it away upon my request. And on the left-hand side, you see one of those paintless dent removers. I thought I'd give that a shot, but that metal is a little too stiff for those. So what I'm going to do, because you can't bang it out from behind, I'm going to probably get the stud welder and start pulling it out the best I can and do the little bit of mud. That's the deep inside of that dent. I can't believe somebody would, I just can't believe it. So here we go. This is part one, the Sunbeam Summer. Stay tuned.